Hello and welcome to the Marketing Minute. My name is Tim, and this week we're talking about social media for apartment marketing. So by now, pretty much everyone knows that social media has a wider audience than any other technology. But if this is true, why aren't you seeing growth on your page or increased website visits as a result? This is where things get complicated. The truth is, 55% of people are logging into Facebook to see what their friends and family are up to, not to browse apartment listings. So what can you do to make sure they look at your page? Post content that's relevant to your audience. Now, posting relevant content as a brand isn't as easy as it sounds. It usually requires a social media strategy and several weeks of implementation, but used properly, social media can bring increased traffic to your website and new renters to your property. Using pictures that grab your audience's attention, optimizing the hashtags that you use, and geotagging your posts are all ways that you can add relevance and grow your brand. But if you aren't sure how to do this, Market Apartments and other firms offer social media management where they can handle it all for you. But that's our minute for this week. Stay tuned for more in-depth information on marketing terms here at Market Apartments.